Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best brother sewing machines available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner, an intermediate sewer, or an expert quilter, there's something here for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Brother XM2701 sewing machine, which is our budget-friendly pick. This machine is a fantastic option for beginners or anyone looking for a lightweight, easy-to-use model. With 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, zigzag, and stretch stitches, this machine is perfect for everyday sewing needs. It even includes a one-step auto-size buttonhole feature, which is rare at this price point. In terms of design and build quality, the XM2701 is compact, weighing only 12.6 pounds, making it highly portable. Despite its lightweight design, it feels sturdy and reliable during operation. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin make setup a breeze, especially for those new to sewing. Accessories like 6 included sewing feet and an instructional DVD add extra value, making this machine an excellent choice for beginners. However, the XM2701 does have its limitations. With fewer built-in stitches and a smaller workspace, it may not be ideal for more advanced users or larger projects. That said, for under $130, it offers incredible value and is perfect for basic sewing tasks, small repairs, and learning the ropes. Its simplicity, affordability, and reliable performance make it a great entry-level option. Coming in at number 4 is the Brother XR3774 sewing and quilting machine. This machine offers a balance between affordability and versatility, making it a solid choice for intermediate users. With 37 built-in stitches, it provides more variety than the XM2701, including quilting-specific stitches and a one-step buttonhole function. The wide table is a standout feature, giving you extra room to handle quilts and larger projects. The XR3774 is well built, with a metal frame that ensures durability. It's slightly heavier at 15 pounds, which adds stability during operation. The automatic needle threader and drop-in bobbin system are user-friendly, and the included accessories, such as 8 sewing feet and an instructional DVD, are great bonuses. The free arm feature also makes it easier to work on cuffs and sleeves. While it's more versatile than the XM2701, it still falls short for advanced users or those looking for computerized features. However, at $159.99, it's an excellent mid-tier option for those who want to explore quilting or have more complex sewing needs. It provides a step up in versatility while remaining accessible and easy to use. At number 3, we have the Brother CS5055 Computerized Sewing Machine. This machine introduces computerized functionality, making it a great choice for users looking to upgrade from a manual or mechanical model. With 60 built-in stitches, including decorative and heirloom options, plus 7 auto-size buttonholes, this machine offers a lot of creative possibilities. The CS5055 features an intuitive LCD display that makes selecting stitches and adjusting settings incredibly easy. The improved needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin system streamlines setup, while the durable metal frame ensures stability and precision. The increased needle-to-arm workspace is a welcome addition for working on larger projects, such as quilts. Priced at $159.99, the CS5055 offers excellent value for its computerized features and versatility. However, it may not be the best choice for complete beginners due to its additional features requiring a learning curve. It's ideal for intermediate users who want to explore computerized sewing without breaking the bank. Finally, at number 1, we have the Brother CS7000X Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. As the premium option in this list, the CS7000X stands out with its exceptional balance of features, performance, and durability. With 70 built-in stitches, including quilting and heirloom options, and 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes, this machine covers virtually every sewing need. The CS7000X is built to last, With a durable metal frame and a fixed needle bar for cleaner stitching and precise lines, the large needle-to-arm workspace is perfect for handling quilts and other large projects. The LCD display is user-friendly, and the improved needle threader makes setup effortless. With 10 included sewing feet, a wide table, and a protective hard case, you'll have everything you need right out of the box. Priced at $259.99, the CS7000X is an investment, but it's worth every penny for serious users. It's ideal for advanced sewists and quilters who demand versatility and reliability in their machine. While beginners can still use it, its extensive features are best suited for those ready to take their sewing to the next level. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful in choosing the best brother sewing machine for your needs. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about these sewing machines, feel free to ask in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy sewing!